So the Nigerian government prodigal sons, as they used to call them, their prodigal sons, they are now in Oyo State in a massive way, to the extent that they are abandoning them not to go to their farms. And today, they met one chief, High Chief, they met him in the farm, and guess what they do? They take his life. But before we go into the video, I want you to watch this. This is 2 weeks old clip, but I keep on reminding you this so that you will know the importance of having a gun, the importance of buying gun, joining vigilante, joining NAFS. Go and do this. Take a listen. Just stay with me in this video.
Nigeria is finished. Those guys where they see like that, now bandit now enter city of Kano, won't go sell their cow. They carry their guns come. Everybody they watch them. They don't shoot anybody. See as people cycle them, but they get their guns. All of them hold their guns for there. They sell their cows. Which kind of level don't reach like this, Nigeria? At this point, everybody in Nigeria need gun to protect themselves because the government are not doing it. They are not even trying anything. Because I don't see the reason why bandit go get mind. Waka enter inside city of Kano with him gun, won't go sell cow. See guns where they carry.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tuesday, April 14, 2026. So many senators have tried their possible best, those who were not terrorist sympathizers, to sponsor the bill for every Nigerian to own arms, to carry guns. And a lot of people who are in the security sector, especially those people who are supporting terrorists, they see it as something that will stop insecurity. Nigeria Arms Control Center was one of the people who protested against the bill, and they stopped it. Mr. Olubadan is a chief, a Yoruba chief. He's a chief that went to farm yesterday just to see what is happening in his farm, harvesting tomato. And that was his crime, his own ancestral land. The Fulani Herdsmen, according to what they said, but I call them terrorists, approached him in his farm and killed him. They take his life. So, if this man was having a gun, if this man was armed, believe me, he will be alive. He will still be alive. So when I am saying that people should advocate that everyone should own a gun, I am not saying it from any inducement or any kind of thing. I'm saying it because Nigeria is at war. And in a war, you don't ask people not to arm themselves during the war. For you to understand better what I'm saying, you know how many military officers that were killed, including generals and colonels, in the past 3 weeks. Nigeria is at war. So I've named this a chief because you know that these people have taken over your community, have taken over your place. This is your state. This is no longer Ondo. This is no longer Kwara. This is Oyo. So you actually know that your community has been, infiltrated and they have hijacked your communities. And you dare to go to farm without arming yourself. You kill yourself now. Chief, you are the one that killed yourself. I've seen the report of Olubadan, okay? His Royal Majesty, calling for police swift action. I started laughing at him. Police swift action? No, police swift action? Anyway, I think that is what he has to say. But police swift action or military action, nothing will stop this killing. Only the people can stop it. Go and arm yourself. Go and get gun. Go and get gun. Sell your lands and go and buy gun. Sell what you have. Gun is more important than any other thing now. You know what? If you want it to be very fast for you, make sure you become a vigilante. Okay? The law will recognize it. Make sure you join NAFS. The law will recognize it. Arm yourself. Then defend yourself. When you are going to the farm, you know that there are terrorists in the farm. As a vigilante person, you take your gun. Why should there be any family in all these insecurity ravaged states without a vigilante member? I have said this countless times. If you have only compassion, let them carry sniper, AK-47, AK, so many guns, sophisticated one, let them carry it. You see, if 100 people can just have compassion, forget about it. Nobody will penetrate that village. They will get them down. That is how easy it is to fight all this Boko Haram. That is how easy it is to fight all these bandits, to fight terrorism in Nigeria. It is very easy. It is very easy. The only thing you have to do is just to arm yourself. Arm yourself. Arm yourself. If you didn't arm yourself, you're on your own. Don't come out to cry that you are dead, something happened to you, somebody kill you, because nobody is coming to your aid, though. Nobody is coming to your aid. Look at what, though I know about the story before. This man, Sunday Lamido, a lot of people find it difficult to believe his story. That Tinubu was part of the people that truncated June 12th election, that he worked with IBB against his brother Abiola. So if Tinubu could do that thing, okay, let me now attribute the story. Forget about what I read. Let me attribute the story to Sunday Lamido. So if, because Sunday Lamido was talking about what he experienced, how Tinubu, after the whole thing, Tinubu ran and left them in the prison. Tinubu ran away. So when everything have settled, Tinubu came back and started claiming that he was part of the struggle. So, God. So let me attribute it to Sunday Lamido. If Tinubu could betray Abiola, look at what is going on in Kwara, in Ondo, in Oyo now. His people are being killed. They are chasing them out of their ancestral homes. Tinubu is not saying anything. This man is not even saying something. He's mute. Even when people died in Yerwata, people died in Plateau State, he could not go to where people died. He stopped at airport. The other place he stopped at government house. Something is wrong now. Tinubu, do they tell you not to visit where people are dying? What nonsense is this? You swear an oath, even though we are in a pseudo nation. You swear an oath to protect people. Then your government turns around and start calling terrorists a prodigal son and our son, that they deserve rehabilitation and not death. That is what your government is doing. And that is contrary to constitution. You know that. So any country that intentionally violate their rules, any country that intentionally violates their law, it is just anarchy. They are creating anarchy. And I think I could say that the country is a pseudo nation. Yeah. I could say that the country is a pseudo nation. It's just everything about the country is not authentic. It's not real. It's not authentic. It's not real. So it is so pathetic. It's so unfortunate. And I don't really know what people are thinking about this, because we all are just passing by on this world. Everybody's just going on their own. So rest in peace, this chief. I don't think others will learn lesson from your death, because I've recorded close to 4 Yoruba monarchs that have been killed by these people. And if you people have learned your lessons, I don't think a chief will still die in his farm. No, you people have not learned your lessons, and it seems you are going to learn it in a very bad way, in a brutal way. Yeah, you are going to learn it in a brutal way. Because when these people invaded your places and killed your king, that is the time you are supposed to rise up to the occasion and say, no, enough is enough. Chase them out. That is what you are supposed to do. They kill your first king, they kill second king, they kill third king, they kill fourth king. They are killing your chiefs, chasing your communities away. Rise up, rise up and do something. So unfortunate.